In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to merge your PDF documents. Now, to merge your PDF documents, we are going to do it using a very simple and free to use platform called iLovePDF. Now, to access iLovePDF, all you need is just to come to anywhere within your browser. You can just go ahead and type in Google as usual. Then you can just type iLovePDF just like so and hit on enter. You see it at the first. iLovePDF is an online tool for PDF lovers. Okay, everything here can be done free of charge. There's so much you can do. Alternatively, you can go to www.ilovepdf.com and it will still bring you to the same platform, this one. Now, this is where you will find everything. But for today, our main target is how to merge PDF files. So this is the first option. So to merge PDF files means to combine PDFs in order you want with the easiest PDF merger available. So you can merge your PDFs in the order you prefer. Okay, which one comes first, which one comes third, and which one comes fifth, according to your wish. So to start, you can just hit on this first one. Okay, this is merge PDF. Now you'll be brought into this very platform. The first thing you need to do is you can sign up if you want to sign up, but you can do this even without signing up. So you can go ahead, you can drag and drop the PDF files. No matter how many files you have, you can drag and drop them, or you can select the files directly from here. Alternatively, you can come straight to the Google Drive where you have them saved. You can access them from there, or from Dropbox. You can access them from Dropbox as well. For this tutorial, we're going to use select files directly from here. You can navigate within your system. Wherever you have the files, you can just import them. So let's say I have my files over here, PDF tutorials. I have these 4 files. I can just select all of them, and you can see I can just click on open to open all of them. Now, this is the order in which they come in. You have the option to adjust the order if you don't want them to be in this order. For example, if I want this sample PDF 3 to be at the beginning, I can just drag it, and you can see I've just extended the location. And if I want this sample PDF 4 to be here, I can as well reshuffle accordingly. Alternatively, you can come over here and order files by name. Okay, easily you can order files by name with just this simple click. You can see I have sample PDF 1, PDF 2, PDF 3, and PDF 4. You can do that as well if you are interested. And from here, you have the option to add more files. You can add from your system, you can add from the drive or from Dropbox as well, and it will still bring in over here. And you have the option to as well cancel any or remove any of the file if you don't want it. If you don't want it part of the files you want to combine, so you want to merge. So you can just go ahead, or you can rotate files from here as well. You can do rotations as you so wish. Now, once you are okay with the selection, these are the 4 files I want to merge together in this format. You can just go ahead and see merge files directly from here, and you can just give it some seconds. You see that your files PDF have been merged, and just wait for some seconds. You will see a result over here. This is it. It's been merged. So once you click, it will take you to the directory where it is saved, and then once you double click, you will be able to see all your files have been merged directly. You can see this is the sample PDF 1, this is sample PDF 2, this is sample PDF 3, and this is sample PDF 4. So this is well merged, and it's completely free of charge. You can see we've just merged and download it free of charge. So this concludes this class about how to merge PDF files free of charge and download them within your system. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.